out there to start.
It is frosty, isn't it? It's not too often that the weather truly does live up to the season that we're falling into, such as winter. We're in November and it feels like we should be deep in November with these type temperatures. But you know what? It's normal for us to have the first freeze right around November 1st. And of course, we do have a freeze warning in place. Here's a live look outside Acme Feed and Seed. Current temperature for you coming in 36 chilly degrees with winds out of our west right at 2 miles per hour. It does feel even colder than that. We do have that freeze warning in place for all of Middle Tennessee, as well as all of Kentucky and even portions of West Tennessee. And get outside of our bubble and you'll notice there are a lot of people sitting cold as well, not just right here at home. I mean, you take majority of our great state off to the west, the entire portion of Kentucky, Arkansas, and even going over into West Texas. So it's not just us that are dealing with cold conditions. It does truly indicate a lot of people are waking up very similar type situations. The Power 5 radars, this is just some ground clutter with the exception down along the Alabama-Tennessee state line for some very thin showers. No, this isn't snow. It is just changed into winter mode. So that is just some pink ground clutter that is being picked up. As far as the clouds are concerned, they're slowly drifting their way to the south. In areas that held on to those clouds overnight, you're waking up significantly warmer. Locations to our north and west where you had mostly clear skies for the overnight hours are quite a bit colder. So that's why we are seeing that slight difference. Temperature wise right now you've got 30 in Hopkinsville as well as Murray, Clarksville, Portland as well. Going over into Dixon, you're at 31 and you hop your way into Cookeville, 36. 37 in Crossville and then right over into Fayetteville at that 41-degree mark. Winds are light. But as an example of what a little bit of wind can do when it's coming in out of the north, it does shave off a few degrees. I just checked on Camden where you've got a wind at 8 miles per hour. It feels as if you are in the 20s, and this will continue to fluctuate throughout the morning. Something else that's going to bounce up will be our temperatures. We just got to bottom out first ahead of sunrise, and then after sunrise, thanks to dew points being so low, we're going to warm nicely. Abundant sunshine is going to be with us as we do head throughout the day. We're also going to have clearing as we go overnight tonight, and because of that, temperatures will tumble on down yet again. So here's a look over the next 7 days. Highs today will top out right at that 54-degree mark. I look for that to be a brief 54. Majority of the day will be spent in the upper 40s, and you can tell as soon as that sun does start to set, your temperatures will tumble. With the clear skies and light winds, we're going to do this all over again tomorrow. I do look for a handful of spots to still be back with that freeze warning. Temperatures tomorrow morning will start out around 33. By the afternoon, 59 degrees. Saturday is going to be a little bit warmer of a start. We'll be in those upper 30s. By the afternoon, 62. Sunday's dry, and we stay dry Monday with a high of 70, 71 on Tuesday. Wednesday, a few clouds will increase. That's ahead of our next system that will bring our next chance of rain Thursday of next week. We've got a dry spell, guys.